Bhagavad Gita, lifestyle changes and creates peace and harmony in the universe. Bhagavad Gita, Chapter 8, Attaining the Supreme, Bhagavad Prapti. Text 7. Tasmat sarveshu kaleshu mamanusmara yudhyacha mairpita manobuddhi mame vaishyasya samshayam. Therefore, always remember me and also do your duty of fighting the war. With mind and intellect surrender to me, you will definitely attain me. Of this there is no doubt. इसीलिए सदा मेरा स्मरण करो और युद्ध लड़ने के अपने कर्तव्य का भी पालन करो. अपना मन और बुद्धि मुझे समर्पित करो, तब तुम निश्चित रूप से मुझे पा लेंगे. इसमें कोई संदेह नहीं है. కాబట్టి సర్వకాలములందు నన్ను స్మరిస్తూనే ఉండుము మరియు నీ కర్తవ్యమైన యుద్ధము కూడా చేయుము. నీ మనస్సు బుద్ధి నాకు శరణాగతి చేసి సమర్పించినచో నీవు తప్పకుండా నన్నే పొందుతావు. ఈ విషయంలో సందేహము లేదు. Practical applications. Bhagavan says to Arjuna, think about me while fighting in the war. You will be successful. It is very clear explanation to remember him always sincerely in doing any task. That work will be completed successfully. As Lord will always be with you and take care the whole responsibility to complete successfully. He will help as his Supreme Father. Therefore, chant or take his name every day. That will change your life and will be successful in material as well as in spiritual life. Prabhupada ki jai. Hare Krishna.